Hi everybody, this is CR number 4 helper video for the extended response. So hopefully after this you'll be able to handle the extended response without any issues. It says a local hospital is holding a raffle as a fundraiser. The individual cost of participating in the raffle is given by the following expression, 5t plus 3, where t represents the number of tickets someone purchases. Evaluate the expression when t, the number of tickets, equals 1, t equals 8, and t equals 10. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite that expression down here. So we have 5t plus 3. Now we are only going to answer the first part when we are purchasing one ticket. See right here it says t equals 1. That's the first one we're going to start with. So over here I'm just going to write t equals 1. So now I know which one I'm actually substituting into this problem. Well, now that I know what the value of t is, all I have to do is take that value and substitute it in for the letter t in the expression. So right now, instead of t, I'm going to have 5 times 1 and plus 3. Now, order of operations tells me I do multiplication first. So 5 times 1 is 5. And then if I go ahead and bring down plus 3, we know 5 plus 3 is 8. So it says the individual cost of participating in the raffle. So because this is a cost, this is $8. So if I sell a ticket, the participation fee is going to be $8. That's how much it's going to cost for that fundraiser. So now we're going to look at purchasing 8 tickets. So I'm going to change colors just so you can see it a little bit better. And now I'm going to write t equals 8. Once again, we're using that same expression, 5t plus 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. And now my value, or the number of tickets I have, is 8. So that's going to now go in place of the letter t. So instead of 5 times t, I have 5 times 8 because that is the number of tickets. Plus 3. Once again, order of operations tells me I multiply first. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. And remember, it's dollars because this is the cost that if I needed to purchase 8 tickets for this fundraiser, it would cost me $43. Last but not least, so that's t equals 8. I'm going to circle that one in purple so you can tell. Last but not least, I have t equals 10. So now I'm going to go ahead and buy 10 tickets. So I'm going to put my t equals 10 over here. I'm going to once again rewrite that expression of 5t plus 3. And now I know my t value is going to be equal to 10. So that number of tickets is now 10. So I'm now going to replace that t. So instead of 5 times t, it's going to be 5 times 10 plus 3. Order of operations tells me I multiply first. 5 times 10 is 50, and 50 plus 3 is 53. Please remember just to put a dollar sign because we're talking about cost for purchasing 10 tickets for a fundraiser. So that's it. That is how you're going to substitute values into the expression given to you on your extended response. Good luck.